So I wanted to give you guys an update on the chicken tractor setup and what I figured out to work pretty well. So right here is a shutoff valve, and what I do first when I get back here is I disconnect that, shut off the shutoff valve. I go and move that chicken tractor because that has the water tank on it. And once I get that moved, then I go ahead and hook up this water tank, start filling it up. Because the filling up the water tank takes the longest. So once I get that going and starting, then I come over to these two chicken tractors and move them forward. So I make sure that there's a shutoff valve there, and I disconnect that, and then I move that one up. But before I completely move this one, I connect it back up so that I can try to make that line right there a little taut, have like a little dip in it, but not too bad. And then I do the same thing over here. Then I go back and get the feed buckets and feed this one, feed that one, and feed that one. And that's basically my setup right now. And then periodically I just give these a little swivel, make sure that they're still getting water, and those are completely full. And seems to be working out pretty well. And this little zero turn radius mower with a water tank is kind of the heart of the operation. It works out pretty well. Now since I got the 3 water setup, it seems like each day it goes, that tank on the back drops by about half. So that's a 25-gallon tank on the back of the lawnmower, and then that's 15. And then I calculated that between all the chicken waterers, I probably have about 33 gallons of capacity, including that 15-gallon tank. So that's pretty good on a mobile setup. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at farmerbrad.com/YouTube. Thanks for watching.